I'm Pat Flynn.
And I'm Aleks Salkin.
And we're going to teach you the Turkish Get Up. Okay, so Aleks Salkin, Strong On Coach, is going to show you how to do a Turkish Get Up. We're going to learn this from the top down. Okay, step 1, press a kettlebell overhead. Step 2, tap your opposite leg and step back into a deep lunge. Step 3, windshield wiper your back shin so that your knee points outward, opening up the hips. Step 4, trace down your thigh, planting your hand on the ground. Step 5, sweep your leg through, coming onto your butt. Step 6, roll down onto your forearm. Step 7, one shoulder blade at a time, roll onto the ground. Okay, time to reverse the movement. So step 1, push into the planted heel, pull from the planted elbow, and prop onto your forearm. Step 2, pivot the fingers behind, extend the elbow. Step 3, bridge the hips, sweep the leg so the knee lands in line with the hand. Next step, lift the hand, dump into the hips, swivel the shin and rotate into a forward lunge, and then finally stand up to complete the exercise.